Greetings to all guys. My name is Kirtik Roshan. I useful my quarantine days. Uh, Useful. I think I choose machine learning using Python from Sci-Fi Labs. This is the assignment for Sci-Fi Labs. The topic is Boston housing price. If you want the run the program, if you need libraries like NumPy, Pandas, etc. I think I import the NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib library and func animation load underscore button. If you find the mean square error value, trade and split data and min max error using the libraries xklearn library. The next one is how to load the Boston data. Boston data is equal to is a file load into this program load underscore Boston. If you don't know Boston housing data price, print the Boston task describe DASCR description. Get the Boston housing data price um, data set. There are 506 rows and 13 columns. The 13 columns like Crim, Zin, Index, Chase, NAS, RM, like etc. etc. Mm, Put the data into the pandas data frame. Features panda pd. If you want the numerical value of the particular all columns, use features function pd dot data frame boston dot data, and this is the numerical value of crimson index or lst. Mm, if you want particular column data numerical values, if you type features dot CRIM. If I take CRM value 506 rows, this values is equal to like 565 rows value 0.0471, 506 file 0.0471. Like that. Next step 4 is assign the target value. How to assign the target value? This using this function pd dot data frame boston dot target, and find the target value of the Boston housing data set. 506. I have 506 rows target value. How to join the Boston housing data set using this function? Using this function concatenating. If you join the target value using this function data frame, the Boston housing data frame pd dot contact join append last features dot target values axis 1 last append the value. This is find to find the minimum and maximum value of target values using min max error function. Print min target. This minimum value of my target value is 5 and the maximum value is 50. Next one, LC, that how to you join the target value of append column. Mm. Then next is the step 6 description data frame using function. How to round off the decimal like 2 3. I will decimal is equal to 3. I get that 3 decimal values like 0.506 by 0.00 using this function round into decimal is equal to 3. The next is the data visualization. How to visualization the data? You find the correlation between the Boston housing data frame using which type of which method I use. The Carl Pearson correlation is the most popular. I use that function Carl Pearson function, and take the absolute values of the target pairs in the order in the pairs. This is called plot the bar graph. Bar graph means x label attribution and y label is correlation with the target variables. And the plt dot show the bar graph. This is the sorry. Mm, this is the bar graph of my Boston housing data set. The x value is the attribution and the y is the correlation with the target values. The highest target value, highest attribution and the correlation with the target values is SLAT. The next one, step 2 is normalization of the data. Take x-axis LSAT values and take y-axis target values to find the x scalar value using the min-max error. The same method is using the min-max error to find the y scalar values, and train the split test train splits the values. like x train, x test, y train, y test. These values train test split like into x values, x axis, y axis. Text size is nothing but 20% of the data x divided by percentage change to decimal, that 20 by divided by 100, that is equal to 0.2, like 0.2. There are three function: error function, update function, and gradient descent function. Using this function, using gradient descent function, to find the mm, graph, linear regression graph, and plot the linear regression curve. Plot scatter diagram like x train, the value of x train, y train, the color is the red. This is x train, y train, the color is the red, and plot color is green, and plot the x train values equal to tested value, color red. This is the correlation between the graphs is negative correlation, because the x value gradually decrease, the y values also gradually decrease, negative correlation. This graph is negative correlation. And the next one is visualization of the model. How to visualize the model? Using this function, mc values equal to animation to mc values, and definite error update value, using this function to find the graph between the update and initial function. And grade, how to grade the predicted value? Using this function, predicted is equal to y is equal to mx plus c, the same x equal to x data, x test data, to find the mean square error value. Like how y test and y predicted values, I get mean square error, these two, like mean square error values y test and y predicted is 0.0201. And how to find the target data frame, like PD dot data frame, columns, zip, list x state, y state predicted, how the date the x test is changed to x, and y test equal to target y, and predicted value is equal to predicted y. If you find 10 data, you put n is equal to 10, otherwise you put nothing. If you shown 5 data, first 5 rows of the data target Boston housing data. Thanks for your watching. Have a nice day.